trial number 4. Sessimato hunter is out hunting jabalina with a spear, a 20.9 kilogram boar. So he is 20.9 kilograms. Is charging at her at 18.68 meters per second, and she calmly throws her 8.82 kilogram spear into the beast at 19.5 meters per second. So again, this is clearly an M and this is clearly a V, because kilograms is always going to be mass, meters per second is always going to be velocity. And we want to know what's the new velocity of the javelina. Well, if you're throwing a spear into the pig, then clearly they're sticking together. So the formula that we want to use is going to be M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equals, and again the masses are going to stick together because they are now going one speed because the spear is stuck inside of it. So over here we're going to have the spear, and up here we're going to have the pig, and here we're going to be together. And so really we're just looking for this V. Now, the only trick to this is, again, you have to worry about direction. So she's going to throw the spear this way, and the pig is leaping at her this way, and so they're going opposite. So if I call this one positive, I have to call that one negative. If I call one positive, I have to call the other one negative as far as velocity goes. So when we're sticking in the numbers down here, we're going to have 8.82 is going 19.5. But then I'm going to have the 20.9 is going negative 18.68. The negative is just because the pig is going the opposite direction the spear is at the beginning. So then we're going to have M1 plus M2 times V prime. So if I want to get V prime by itself, I need to move M1 and M2 underneath. So the M1 is just going to be the first mass, and the M2 is the second mass. So it's just going to look like that. If you use fraction mode on the calculator, it's real easy to get it right. And if you do that correctly, you should get negative 7.35 meters per second. And again, the negative, you look at that and you say, well, who was going negative originally? And that was the pig. And so we're going 7.35 meters per second in the pig's direction. So the negative just tells me which one was winning. So he slowed down from 18 down to 7, and the spear, of course, stuck into implement.